going to be making Daikokuya spicy miso ramen with the instructions on the back. This is the noodles. This is pork and bamboo.
Yakibuta to menma.
And this is the soup. Let's get started. While the water is boiling, we're going to put the meat and the soup in the water.
And we'll put the noodles in here. And usually you would do it for 3.5 minutes. But however, my mom's extremely picky and wants hard noodles. So we will do it for 3 minutes.
Well,
3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Oh my goodness.
Since it's been 3 minutes, we're going to drain the men with cold water. So,
Drain them in, yes.
So, this looks ready. So when you open it, be careful because it's really hot. So yeah. So we're gonna put this in the bowl thing. Oh!
Oh my goodness. It's not that hard, dude. It's not that hard. Yay!
Yeah.
And while it was boiling,
This is good.
while it was boiling, we cut the negi or green onion. Now that we have completed this, we will put on our toppings of green onions.
Sure, that's good.
Yeah, so amazing. Yay. Other than green onions, you can put a lot of different toppings like eggs or seaweed or so many others. Do as you wish, just like Yogurtland.
Okay. Now we put here. Yeah, one.
Uno.
Dos. And I want some. And we go
No,
there.
that's not what you want, it's what Mommy wants.
And it's fine because I'm making it. And we can put 3 right there. So
Now, our ramen got a makeover.
So let's serve to greedy little mommy.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that's the finished thing. So
Here's your empty Starbies.
Another day, another Starbies. Empty. Yeah, that's the whole point. Because you're greedy. Is it good?
Oh, shit. So good.
Okay.
So, our mom said that it was delicious, but it was mildly spicy.
Sure.
You can get your Daikokuya spicy miso ramen
At bestramenla.com.
Our code is
Ryoko10 RYOKO10. And you can get 10% off every time you buy from Daikokuya Spicy Miso Ramen.
Yay!
Yeah, so just get it.
Yeah, it's delicious. Give it to your
My really annoying sister made
Sure, yeah.
the second one that we bought. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it because I know I did better, but. That's spicy. But I like it. Too much onion.
Can you eat everything?
Pandas are fat. It's really good.